Okay, I have this Nasdaq 100 over here. So this is basically from O and it is a CFD. And over here, I wanted to do a Elliott Wave counts on this. So what happens is over here we can see that there is this expanding triangle over here. Okay, so this will actually be our first wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and what I'm seeing over here is that there is this wave 1, 2, 3, and this is potentially a 4, and we actually start on a fifth wave. So let me label this. Uh, there's no need to care about degree for now for the wave. To me, it's just a hassle to change the degree, so I usually do it at the end. So over here, estimation on where the fifth wave will end, right, actually is based on usually we use the previous wave, wave 1, or we can do it in different ways. Yeah, but usually we just find one that has the best Fibonacci relationship. So over here you see that I'm using this initial wave. Usually I wouldn't do it. It's just that this very first wave has a very nice property. What happens is that you use this very first wave. You can see that actually if I move this Fibonacci extension here, you see that 3 and 4, right, is actually has the same length here. So the reason why I use it is so that by the traditional measurement rule, a breakout on this channel itself should move the distance from here to here, right? So if I put it up here, well, I think it might break more or less, right? So that will mean that the we should see a target of wave 5 to here, which is a new high, right over here. So this is the first Fibonacci extension level, and if we do another one, right, so first thing first is to ensure that the third wave has extended, right? So what this means is that we do not expect the fifth wave to extend. Okay, and if we put it right here, okay, what you see is that there are some overlaps, very close overlaps, and what we want to do is we probably want to change the color so that we know exactly which one is we're looking at. Okay, so over here, how do we do the analysis is that we need to give importance to these lines where you see two very close together, right? So over here, this which is around 16,300 and here 15,800. Okay, so this is definitely more significant than this one, if only because there is a closer resistance over here, right, which is previously being whacked down, right? So what we are seeing over here is that we do expect that this Nasdaq will move all the way to here before hitting certain resistance. So if we use another indicator just to take a look and see whether this price has a problem. In fact, not really, at least not for this indicator. Okay, so let's bring in another one, which is the MACD. Okay, For this, notice over here that because the previous week it was too strong, so you actually can see a cutting of the MACD line up. So this is actually positive. And for RSI, I use the RSI 7, but if you are really interested in the more standard usage, we just see what everyone is thinking, right? We are still not in the overbought region yet. And over here, we can see that this price itself, in April, it was rejected, but April is kind of far away, so you can I will ignore this. And then what else are we seeing over here is if I may, let's see this. What do you see? Do you see like a cup and a handle? So if we are to draw this, I would say that there is a very good reason, technically speaking, right, for this Nasdaq to go up. Okay, so we have three reasons. One is the cup and the handle. So we just put in cup and handle formation. Okay, which is over here, right? And then we have this wave 4, which is quite clear to me that is a wave 4, right? You can see this as a 1 A B C D E, right? Or you can see it as A B C X A B C, whatever. So the actual waveform doesn't matter. Okay, so we have seen this fourth wave that potentially is breaking. Okay, so and then we have the MACD. So let's place all our reasons over here. So turning bullish, right? And then we have this RSI 14, not yet uh, overbought. Okay. Then we have the completion of wave 4. Okay. So what this is? This will be our primary count. So what can go wrong, right? So for Elliott Wave, we must always be prepared um for our analysis to go wrong. Okay, even though this is not our bias. So what can go wrong is that for any kind of correction, right? There could be a combination, right? So what you see is this could be a A B C D E, right? But this could be A B C X A B and then C again. Although it's very unlikely, right? Because this is one straight line up. Okay, so uh, sometimes when we want to do like trying to get a alternate count, yeah, we need to discard away what is not possible. Okay, and some analysts will tell you that this could be a what do you call that? There are different counts over here, right? So this could be a 1, then this A, B, C, right? And then you actually have a B, and then C, and this one could be a leading diagonal, which is not really a good way to count it, because that leading diagonal will require you to have 5 wave. So there is a way to count it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC 1 2 3 4 5, then you ABC again 1 2 3 4 5. But I do not really like this kind of counting into into the subwave, because subwave, I mean the low time frame you go, right, sometimes it could be a lot messier, right? So it is important not to lose sight of the big picture. Okay, so for now I will still say that we are going to reach a new high. Okay, and sometimes the waveform just favors where does this wave ones of tree that I'm labeled here belongs to. To me, the look and feel of it is that this wave one belongs to this, and it's not like A, B, C kind of thing, which is an irregular correction. And yeah, so this will be the primary wave count.